Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of the digital signal processing. We are discussing the unit number 2, that is Z transform. Let's discuss in this particular unit the topic that is properties of ROC. In the last lecture we have seen what is ROC, that is region of convergence. Let's discuss its properties. So the very first property is nothing but ROC. It is a ring or the disk in the Z plane centered at the origin. This is very important property for the ROC. Everywhere we will find that it is indicated with the ring type of fashion for the ROC. The Z transform of X of n is converge absolutely if and only if the ROC includes the unit circle. So ROC must include the unit circle if the X of n or the Z transform to be in a convergence state. Next property for the ROC, it is nothing but the ROC cannot include any poles. This is important property when we discuss digital filters, then we are dealing up with this kind of property. Next is finite duration sequences. The ROC is the entire Z plane except possibly Z equal to 0 or Z equal to infinity. So this is very important that it is except Z equal to 0 and Z equal to or Z equal to infinity. This is applicable only for the finite duration sequences. Next property is nothing but the right sided sequences. So for causal sequences specifically which are concentrating only towards the right side part, so that's why it is called as the right side sequences. The ROC extends outward from the outermost finite pole in X of Z to Z equal to infinity except Z equal to 0. Similarly, for left sided sequence, the things will be varying exactly reverse, means the ROC extends inward from the innermost non-zero pole in X of Z to Z equal to 0, but except Z equal to infinity. Now let's see the next part of the ROC itself for deciding the stability of the system. So for ROC, these are additional properties. So for stability of any system, the ROC must contain the unit circle. The ROC must contain the unit circle. Similarly, for the causal system, the ROC must be infinite and the system function will be the right-sided sequence. If we go for the anti-causal, that is the left-sided sequence. So for anti-causal system, the ROC must contain the origin and the system function will be left-sided sequence. Now the next, which is again equally important as that of the first three, for causality and stability of any system, all the poles of the system function must be inside the unit circle. Must be inside the unit circle. This is very important when we go for designing the digital filter specifically. We are dealing with this last property in detail. So this is all about the properties of the ROC. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much.